Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 3 off of 15, and deals that you can do now. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, so went to Dollar General and I was using my last 3 off of 15. So the deals this week, they okay. They good. They okay. There is 2 items that in my transaction that I do not have coupons for, but I went ahead and purchased them because I did the 3 off of 15 and I was getting money back off of 2 apps. Okay. So once I will show you the item and I tell you how much I got back off of the product. Okay. So let's go ahead and get to this video. So the first thing I got was the Gain liquid. Y'all know I've been telling y'all I need to get me some liquid in my stockpile because I'm kind of low. So I've been trying to purchase certain ones that I know people will actually purchase and want. Okay. So the Gain is one of them. I don't do a lot of Gain because I don't have the coupons like I used to. Okay. So this Gain right here is $5.50. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. And we did get, I don't know about everybody else, but I got a 5 off of, I think it was 30 digital coupon that came, I think it was the other day, that came in one of my, numbers. Okay. The next thing are these pedigree. Okay. If you got a dog and your dog like these, or you can donate them. I don't know if my dog would like these. I'm going to try and see because these are wet dog food. These are the pouches. They are 95 cents each. There is a $1.50 off of 3 digital coupon that is attaching to these. Okay. So I purchased 3 of them. Like I said, these are the wet. And the $1.50 did come off of those 3. The next thing is this pine salt. Pine salt, there is no digital coupon, but I did get $1 back off of Ibotta. You can do it up to 5 times, but I just purchased 1. Okay. And I got my $1 back. All right. And this is on the pine salt. This is the 24 ounce. If you still got it on your Ibotta, if you do Ibotta, you can also get this. And I believe in the description, my link, if you want to join up under me, my number is in the description. Okay. The next thing is this Caress body wash. It is in the trial size. Okay. Let's see. This Caress is $2 on checkout 51. If you are doing that app, there is a $1.25 that you get back from checkout 51 for purchasing this trial size Caress. Okay. And I'm just waiting for it right now to tell me if it goes through. It took it, but I don't know. You know how checkout 51 is kind of like hit and miss. I believe I probably will get the $1.25 back, but they just take so long. All right. Because they have to go through and I guess approve it, look at it. I don't know. So then the last thing I did was purchase these Lucky Charms marshmallow clusters, which is the cereal. This one Trix and this other Trix. I had on this number was a $1 off of 2, $1 off of 1, and a Dollar General $1 off of 3 digital coupon. Okay. I know everybody else probably have already used theirs, but this is the cereal that I wanted to get. I didn't want to get the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I did not want to get the Cheerios. I wanted something different, a little fruity, because I know my daughter and my granddaughter, they like to eat tricks. So I got these for them so they can just have some tricks to eat, okay? So after all of this had been rung up, my 3 off of 15, it did come off. All the rest of my digital coupons came off. And my subtotal after everything was $9.20. Yes, $9.20. Now, if I didn't purchase the Pine Sol or the Caress, it would have been way cheaper. But I was needing this. I wanted to do on the app. I wanted to get some money back on my apps because I'm ready to cash out on some of mine. Ready to cash out. So my subtotal, like I said, was $9.20. You know, everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. There is the gain, the Pine Sol, and you see where it says store discount? That means that is the 3 off of 15. Then you see the Caress, the pedigree pouches. They was 95 cents each. They used to be 80 cents. Well, I take it back. One of them is 80 cents. The other two are 95. Oh, I didn't see that. So make sure if you're looking at the regular price on one, the pedigree pouch is 80 cents. But if you get the high protein one, it's 2 for 95 cents. And I only got one high protein, so he overcharged me, but that's fine. And then the cereal, you see where all 3 of the coupons came off along with the 3 off of 15. You see those store discounts that's coming off of there. Then there is my subtotal, $9.20. And look at the total savings, $14. And there is a 5 off of 25 for Saturday for paper. Just in case if somebody needs one, there it is. I might not even, I don't like fooling with the paper, but if I have to use it, I will use it. But this right here is my Dollar General haul. Deals that you can do now, 3 off of 15. If you would just subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.